So may I know your profile, so where you are completing your college and what is your native and which year passed out?
Hi, this is Pavan. I complete my BE in RMK Engineering College in Electronics Communication domain, and I am the 2025 passed out. I come from Tirupati.
Tirupati. So how do you know Besant Technologies?
Through my uncle.
Okay, you can get a reference from your uncle.
Yes.
That's fine. So, see, the first interview you got offer, right?
Yes, sir.
You can
My
just,
first
okay,
interview.
you can just explain your interview process.
Yeah, the interview process will be conducted in 2 rounds. In first round they ask about what is about myself and some technical questions, and they ask about my project, what did I do in the project, and about my internship. I did an internship in my diploma, so they raised the question from the internship.
Okay, fine. You can just explain, see, what are the technical questions they are asking.
They are asking about technical questions in CCNA, about the DHCP and VLAN routing, and about routing protocols, and some I did a project in simulation project. So they're asking questions in this project.
Okay, so how many rounds? Totally 2 rounds.
2 rounds.
So, who is supporting for your placement from Besant Technologies?
Kapilan sir.
Kapilan. Who is your trainer?
Trainer is Manu sir.
Monu sir. How is the class?
He did explain very well every topic, and if any doubt is there, he's explained multiple times.
Fine. So, when is your joining date?
My joining date at Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. So, congratulations. So, once again, okay.
Thanks.
Once you join there, if you have any confusion or if you have any doubt, if you want any support, so feel free to come here. Okay. Thanks.